Every single local channel has tested a new Qwen model this week on 16 gig cards, Big Macs, monster machines. So I have 12 gigs like you've seen in the previous videos, and it's a 4070 Super. So the card most people actually own. So does it even fit, right? The short answer is yes. So essentially the file everybody is actually showing is the wrong one. And there's one hidden setting that made the exact same file 4 times faster on my card. I have the real numbers right off my PC right here. And I'll give you the exact commands so you can do it in about 10 minutes or so. All right, so real quick, what is this thing? It's the Qwen 3.8 27 billion parameter model, and it dropped about a week ago. It's free and open weights. You can download it, run it on your computer, and your data never leaves your house. People are calling it one of the best local models so far. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And some are even saying it codes close to the big paid models. That is a huge claim for something that's free. But here's what nobody is actually showing you. When you run the normal install command, you get an 18 gig file, and my card holds 12. So something has to give here. And what gives is that speed. And nobody tells you about that. So here's the test. Same model, 3 different files. The 18 gig default that everybody gets, then the 11 gig compressed version, and a 9.5 gig. All right, so we're gonna give it the same prompt every single time. We're gonna tell it to build an invoice calculator for a contractor. So a real thing, a real business would actually use and ask for. In full disclosure, I didn't sit here typing all night. I have my Claude agent run the whole test grid on this card and record every single run. That's literally what I do. All right, so the AI does the boring part. Every single number you're about to see came off my PC. Nothing came from a simple spec sheet. All right, so first, the default. The one that everybody gets. All right, watch the split here, pay attention. Because about half the model landed on the graphics card, and the other half just spilled right into the regular RAM. And Ollama doesn't warn you. It doesn't throw an error, it just quietly sends the overflow through that slow lane. But what's the speed? So if you don't know what a token is, it's basically a chunk of a word, essentially. And you'd sit here thinking the model is garbage, but it's not. It just doesn't fit. Now here's where it gets a little bit strange. I grabbed the 11 gig version. 11 gig on a 12 gig card. It should fit, right? But it ran slower than the 18 gig file. 3 tokens per second. So we're gonna type in Ollama PS. Take a look at it. It says 30 gigs for an 11 gig file. So what is happening? This model can read a massive amount of text at once, about 262,000 tokens. And Ollama hands it that giant workspace. So that workspace uses the memory, about 19 extra gigs of it. So the file actually fits, but the desk it works on doesn't. That right there, that's the trap. I guarantee people are uninstalling this model right now just because of that. And one simple line can potentially fix it for you. Set the workspace to simply 8,000 instead of 262,000. All right, so stick with me. That's still plenty for some normal work. Same file, same card, and the same prompt. 4 times faster. One setting. That's pretty huge. All right, so real quick, every command in this video is in the description in order, ready to copy and paste, or however you want to do it. I also put together a 1-page cheat sheet with the right file for the 8, 12, 16, and 24 gig cards. So comment down below and I'll send it. Okay, so the best part's coming up. Now here's the file you actually want on a 12 gig card. The 9.5 gig version of this. It fits 100% all on the graphics card. Nothing is spilling over. The same brain, same question. But did it actually work? Because speed means nothing if the answer is garbage. This is the most squeezed down version of the model. So you'd expect it to be dumber, right? But here's what it actually built. Line items, tax, totals updates live while you type. We even click tested it with the automated browser. Changed the numbers and it recalculated all the totals, 0 console errors, boom. A free model running on roughly a $600 graphics card. Built a working tool a contractor could actually use. But there is a catch. A compressed file like this will be a little dumber, especially on genuinely hard problems. I still have to push it on some bigger jobs. And I'm not gonna promise something I haven't tested yet. But for every day, like build me this type of work, it definitely delivered. So there's one more trap before, that I have to let you guys in on. So, because this one cost me an entire run. The model thinks before it answers. Essentially, right out loud. You can watch it reason. So that is great for hard problems. But watch what happened when I left thinking turn on for the invoice job. It thought for over 200 seconds. 8,000 tokens of straight up thinking. It filled the entire workspace, planning the perfect invoice, and it never wrote one line of the actual file. And we do that too sometimes, right? So that's why overthinking can be dangerous. But it ran out of room before it actually started. So for the simple jobs, turn the thinking off. One command, it's in the description. So then it goes straight to the answer. All right, so here's where I'm landing all of this. If you have that 12 gig card, use the 9 gig file. Set the workspace to around 8K, and then turn off that thinking for everyday jobs. Fully local and free. And it actually builds working stuff. But who is this video not for? If you want a full strength version running at full speed, 12 gigs is definitely not enough. I'd say a 16 gig and probably even a 24 gig graphics card. So that's some substantial money. I'm not telling you to upgrade. What I'm telling you is that the card you have probably can already run one of these best free local models that's out there, especially if you pick that right file. And that's really the lesson. Everybody blames the model, but it wasn't the model. It was one file choice and one setting. All the commands are in the description, check it out. And comment 12 gig if you want the cheat sheet with the right file for your card. And tell me what card you're running. I'll test the next model on whatever most of you actually have. All right, so next video, I'm putting this 9 gig file inside a coding agent and seeing if it can fix real code on my machine with no cloud and no sub. So subscribe so you don't miss that one. See you later.